MAVIA USDT Overview. Signal cost: like, comment, share, and subscribe to support this channel. Trading style: spot. Target time frame: approximately a month between take profit targets. Entry levels: 1.5622 to 1.9322. Take profit targets: Target 1, 2.5171. Target 2, 2.8921. Target 3, 3.2471. Target 4, 3.6471. Target 5, 4.1920. Stop level, 0.9320. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully and avoid rushing. Trade using simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Important recommendation: after reaching each take profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price. This helps protect profits and limit losses in case of market trend reversal. Trading tip: enter after a pullback. Disclaimer: this analysis is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. We wish you successful trading.